spaghetti, and I had a bit of a break because of school and of my mom. She has been very busy, and make sure to give a like and subscribe to the channel. This is simply onion and oil together till it caramelizes. These are all the other ingredients we need. Just a little bit more. And my grandma and my dad are talking to each other. Sorry about the hearing. They normally talk in my video. Like they're arguing, but they're not. They're just talking. Now it's go caramel. Now we added the mincemeat. It's very squishy. Gonna follow along. Put it to the start, and you can follow along. This is the spaghetti that we're gonna boil and then put it in the pot. Ground meat, and then we're gonna put the sauce.
Good girl.
My brother's turn now. Massey, you're going good. Muskaan, just mix the sauce. Muskaan. Musgumalalala. They're gonna tap it. Put it in.
Press it. Press.
Very hearty. It's very loud. It's very loud. Put it in the pressure cooker for a few minutes. Can you hear it? Mommy, get a grown up to
I'm in the bottle.
help you put it in the bottle. Is this lunch? Ooh. Yum.